powerful and engaging LMS platform? With BuddyX.
So, hello everyone. My name is Shashank. I'm from WBCom Designs, and I'm really excited to talk about our all the plugins which we have created around BuddyPress, which people can use to enhance their community if they have built something like community or social network using BuddyPress plugin. And I think most of the people are already familiar with the BuddyPress plugin. That's how they come to our website because everything you would try to search around BuddyPress, we try to cover everything from themes to plugins and all the add-ons features which people look for. So last video webinar, what we have discussed about our vote plugin, the BuddyPress poll
Polls.
plugin. In that plugin, we created the feature to people to allow the voting feature, like they can run a poll and get the reactions from the community, and members can also create those polls. And today in this webinar, we are going to see how we have provided an add-on which provide the feature to have their own members can have their own pages like Facebook, like all the social network expression are basically from the Facebook only. You can see like in the early stage of the Facebook, all the core features you can now get with the help of BuddyPress plugin. You can get the activity stream, you can get the group feature and user profile, friend connection, private messages, notification feature when someone engage in the community. So the missing feature and the most requested feature in the BuddyPress was to have their own pages. Like for any professional community, the pages are the most important thing so that people, instead of providing only promoting their profile in the community, they can promote their businesses, their particular brands they want to promote in the community. So it provide them a dedicated page on which they can promote uh, in the community. So for that feature, we have created this BuddyPress business profile plugin, and with this plugin, members can create as many as pages they can create. And for the monetization point of view, like as a community owner point of view, you can monetize it with the different membership plugin. Like based on the membership level, you can decide this level of membership people need to purchase before start creating their own profile pages or business pages there. And uh, next up is let me share the profile plugin page with you. Press this profile. I'll share my screen. So this is the plugin. Our BuddyPress plugins are also compatible with the BuddyBoss platform plugin, which is a fork of BuddyPress. So the core structure of the plugin is similar. So all our add-ons for BuddyPress also work with the BuddyBoss platform plugin. That's why you can see here. And all the inspiration for this page feature are, you will find it quite similar with the classic Facebook page. Like you can have all the information of your business here and provide the all the important links about your business and or your portfolio, you can say, for the company or company profile. And best thing is like you can provide all the contact information and others. And this page is different from any group page because here only the page admin can post the content. Like this is their own promotional page, as we quite similar see in the Facebook pages feature, and try to provide all the information along with the review feature also there. Mhm. And all the members can follow this page also, this follow feature in the page, so that you can gather the followers around your brand there. And it also integrate with the WooCommerce plugin, so that if you have the e-commerce store in the page also, you can have that and provide the link of that shop page from here. And also integrate with the event calendar plugin. From the page you can create the event also, like for your business if you want to run an event there, you can integrate with the page there and provide the link to the your page followers. Mm. And also manage the page roles, so that for your business page, if you want your members which create the business page, if they want some of the other members to have these different roles for management of the page, you they can also assign that. And a lot more features. I think the complete setup with me is Astos. He is going to explain you how to set up this plugin and show you the features in a live demos website. And he will explain all the settings we have built in this plugin. Over to you, Astos.
Hello everyone. This is I explain the functionality provided by the business plugin. So is my screen visible, Shang? Okay, that's good. Good to go. So when you first search BuddyPress business profile, you will land on the first link you click, you will land here. So this is business plugin. So it provides the functionality for you to create businesses, a brand for your users basically. So this is loosely based on groups. So here's the plugin. When you open the sandbox by clicking on try demo, it will take you to a page, like let me show you, to this page. So here you can enter your name and email, and from there it will create a sandbox that looks something like this. So this is business page which is created from the backend. This will be automatically created for you. Two pages will be created, first business and then create a add business page. So let me help you browse through this. So this is how a single business page will look for you. So as I am an admin, I am allowed to post here. You can add your content basically and scroll through it. So these are widgets around it. So you get these all tabs for you. So first is the home page, which will have your activity page. Next is the about section. When you create a business, you write something about it. So it will be integrated here. You can decide to add contact information, work, education. We will go through that in the settings. Then you have a media option. The sandbox currently doesn't have a media plugin. That's why it's blank. But if you, it supports both RT media and media press. So this is the review page. You get three options: support, email, availability, response time, and how it will look. We will show you. Next is the followers. So this is the follower page. It will show you all your followers, and you can also. So basically, if you want to change a role for a user, you can do that here. Update roles basically. Next is the inbox. So the messages you get on your business will be displayed here, And when you open it, it will take you to your message section. So as you see, Ron, Thomas, Andrew. So basically, Ron has messaged, and Thomas is administrator, and Andrew is the moderator for the group. So they can also view these messages. Next, these three tabs: events, jobs, and shop. These are the integration provided by the business. So first is the event. You will need event calendar plugin and event community add-on plugin. So then you can create events and all your events will be displayed here. Next is this job section. You will need only WP Job Manager plugin and it will create a job tab for you here. So whatever job you create, it will display here. Next is the shop. So all your products created on WooCommerce will be displayed here. Now let's browse through the settings section. So this is the settings section. When you create a business, you will need to add your business name, business description, and your community. So this comes from there. You can also change your community from here. Next is, as you know, photo, cover image. The main point when you create a business you will have a contact information section. Sorry. So you can add your email address, website address, phone number, WhatsApp number, whatever you want to show to the people who are visiting your business page. So they can contact you. So next is the social network. It will be displayed as we saw on the about section page. Here it is displayed here. Sorry. Okay, I was here in this setting. So next is when your business is open, you can set your timer here from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You can set time accordingly. Temporarily closed. If you are going somewhere, you can mark it here temporarily closed, permanently closed. If you are down, your business is going down, and always open if you have a 24-hour services. So these are the event settings. So when you create an event, you need a title. So you can add your details here, and this will allow you to create events and they will be displayed in your business. These are the shop settings. So the categories which you tag here will be displayed on your shop page. Next is the manage tab. So uh, these tabs which appear on the front end for you, you can manage them. So if you want your user to view them, you can enable or disable them from here. And this is the add action button. So you see this contact us button. So this is the add action button. You can choose send message, send WhatsApp message, call now, send email, and you can add the information accordingly. So if I choose, so you can add a contact information according to you, link to your group, help support, people support. If you are a support channel or a support link, you can add that here. You shop, get tickets, whatever you want that the people see at front. This basically link can be adjusted from here. Next is the sidebar. You can enable sidebar and let me show you. So here was show team widget. So it will display like this. And next is the last option. If you want to delete. So let me open this business in another tab. Let me select a role first. So I'm going to select a user to log in. Uh, let's join through gear. So here we are. I will navigate to businesses and let me join Webparu. I'm following that business now. So this will look something like this. As last time, let me go through each option. So, so we were here. So I showed you manage tab section. So if I disable tabs, it will not show for the user. I disabled some tabs here. Followers, media and about section. If you do that, see. Next, uh, if I want that this user be the moderator for my channel, basically business. So I selected here, I marked him moderator and update the role here. So when I navigate back, yeah, I'm allowed to post. You can see the inbox. Whatever tab is there, I can see now. Events will be displayed. And if I select make sure I have selected now subscriber. Let me also enable all the tabs so we can see what your users will see. Let me refresh the page. All the tabs are back. Let me go back to review section and add a review. This will look something like this. This is our test review. You can give stars accordingly. It is posted now. Next, it will only show the followers who are following the business. You won't have the tab. So this will show the users who are following the business. Inbox, you can send messages. Let me send a message. Hello, I would like to inquire about you with services, and will send this message. It is sent. If I go back and refresh the page, I will have a message here. All the people are included in this. Kier, Thomas, and Andrew. Good. If I refresh, I have a message. I can click. As you can see, the message here. Go back to businesses. This will show all the businesses for you. Let me go back and resume from where we left off. Events are lifted as it is. Jobs and shop. Uh, you can also create custom post type through code or through the plugin. And there's documentation for you here. So we have all the added documentation in the FAQ section to create different codes. Now let's navigate back to the backend setting and I will tell you about each. So a custom post type is always created when you create a business. This is what it looks like. You can also create from backend. Let me also, okay, sorry. Let me show you how your user will create a business. So let's call it Kia business. So it is an easy navigation. You have a add business session. And when you navigate to the business page, there also you have a create a business tab, which will land you here. I have added Kia business. Now let me add some content. This much is enough. And you need to select a category. Okay, this is how it will look. Your business is created. Now let's navigate back. And if we refresh, we have a business. So let me now show you the settings of the business. So you will get a tab WB plugins where you will have the business section. Let's navigate to general settings. So I told you you will have these pages will be automatically created business and create a business, and it will have a embedded setting for those pages. You can change the name of the businesses, web addresses, what each will be called. You can also set the categories and your default business avatar. Let me show you. If I add an image on this, how it will look. Let me select one. So I have selected this. See, and a cover image. So if your users are new and they have not added the image and you want to show a single image, you can display this. You can set a default for each business and save changes. So the Kia business does not have a
This page already been created, then it's
yeah,
also override.
what
Like that page,
these
okay, that
business
business
and
page.
create a business.
No, no, the business page you just created already was like live. Then also you can change the default images for that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you want that all your businesses have same images, all the
Mm.
users, so you don't want them to see like a blank image. So when they join, you can assign a default image for business and cover image.
Okay.
So you can set them from here. So you can also change the order if you want the latest, if you want the new and upcoming businesses to display, you can checklist latest, or if you want them to select show alphabetically, you can select alphabetically. So let me show you here. I will now navigate back and forth from each businesses. So show, hide, and work and education. If you have filled the work and education section, it will show. Now business category filter, hours and listing page, and business social share. So we had four options: work and education, business category filter, business arts, and share on listing page. Let me enable it. Let me refresh the page. So you can say first share option which is enabled. This is the share option. It has been created. You can add users. Next, close now the time period. Hours on business listing page is displayed here. Next is work and education. If you have filled, it will show here. This is the option to enable publish or pending review if your user is creating a business and you want to first check if it is all right with you and if the content is good for your site. You can enable pending review and each business will go in pending review. So they will be displayed here in the business custom post type. And if you want users to post as a business or a user, you can select from here. So like if I post here, just so here it is posted as care business. If you select here users, then it will be posted for you. Let me refresh. It will be posted as care, the username, post and update in the business. Next is the business view. So if you want to show these details, you can show like here, this is the grid view and this is the list view. If you want to show these details, you can enable from here. So these are disabled. Let me enable them. And if those details are filled, they will be displayed. Let's see. They see web Varun details are all filled. The email, contact, timing, then they will be displayed. These were all the contact number, business address, email. They will be displayed. So this is the map setting. You can add the Google API key, miles, how radius. So let me show you how it will be displayed. If you fill these detail here, a map section will be created. A map section will be created for you, and you can select that, and it will be show the all your business on a map. So these are the color setting for the business. So you want that the color matches your theme, it automatically basically adapts. So if you want every nook and cranny to the change to your theme type, you can select from here colors. We had the review section I showed you. You can add criteria from here more if you want, and you can select the submission limit per member, how many reviews each user can give. So I like this setting a lot. So you can select how many businesses a member can create. From here, you can add a number up to your choice. Like if you have a large site, you don't want all the users to create multiple businesses, you can select from here. You can also enable by role. You can add for editor, author, contributor, what each role can create.
For
Next,
any membership plugin integration,
oh,
there will
you
be
need
another
to.
new role.
So these are based on user roles. So if you have like if you are selling a business, like if your user joins you and you upgrade their role to like example employer, then you can set the settings from here.
So that's the best way to monetize this feature.
Yeah. So next, as I told you about the businesses, like we had the shop section, job section, and WooCommerce section. So these are enabled from here. If you disable these, they won't show at the front end. Now we also provide widgets. If you navigate to business widgets and search businesses, so we have single left widget area, single business right widget area, and these are the widgets. Social media profiles, operation hours, contact information from your directory, various criteria. If you have created criteria, it will show all the members if you want to display. These are all the settings. So currently this is being run on The we have the plugin theme, sorry, we have the theme BuddyX Pro theme. So this layout and all is supported by BuddyX Pro. So if you have question, you can ask now. Shashank, do you have any questions?
Yeah, I think the event integration we can see like how do we have the active plugin, the event calendar plugin, and the
Yeah, yeah,
event community plugin?
yeah. We have that.
As you can switch as a member and show us like how a member can create the event in their own page.
Okay. So what you can do? Let me see. First, we will need to set a organizer. You can add the contact information, whatever it is, website.
As a member, we need to see that.
Yeah, first we will need to set up a organizer that can create business.
Okay, so organizer is a new role for someone
No, like you need to create organizer who can create businesses.
or
So
create
this
events.
is, yeah, let me see. Event calendar pages are created. I think the plugin is not updated here. That's why you can't create the role. We will need to update it here to latest version and create pages. So we can add the event page so user can create events. That needs to be done in order to do this.
Like the event calendar plugin integration which we have in our plugin. So as a member, when someone create a new business page, he is not
Mhm.
able to create event right now just because the plugin on the site is not active.
No, so recently what they did, you need to update to the this is from event calendar, so you need to update to the latest version in order to create or in order to use all the integration.
I think the job board we can test job board
Yeah,
integration. Like any member can create a job from their business profile page.
let me see for that also. You need to check these. Sorry, I'm not prepared right now. First. So you need to like anyone cannot create. You need to like if a user comes, then you need to make him an employer. Like
So as a member,
Yeah,
someone can
you,
create their business page, and on that page they can create a job post
yeah,
about their business.
yeah. And this is from business. And save draft.
Why it's in draft?
Oh, you. So this is b- job manager setting. So it is selected. Might be here somewhere. Allow pending. Uh, so
The top
user
of
can.
the
Okay.
top option, I think.
No, no, no. So all the jobs goes to pending until you enable a setting from here. We need to find that setting. Let me create first. Then we can struggle with this. So here's my job. Let me publish it. So here's business. So if I navigate here, it is here.
Use it. Like on the all job page, this will also display.
Yeah. So this is the basic functionality of WP Job Manager, no? So it will automatically work.
Okay. Like community job board can be there.
Yeah. So we also have a BuddyPress Job Manager. You
Mm.
can use that also. So it will display here also in your job profile, basically in your profile, all the job you're
So
listing.
after we
Uh,
create in the business page, that's a different job posting, and from the profile which we have a different job posting.
So you need to configure each setting. So like example, if you are going to give someone a chance to create businesses, you are going to set up each role accordingly. So if you want them to, like, a user joining automatically will not create everything. You need to set up each. So that's why we have like different section, no? Like there's a site admin, then there are editor roles. So you need a full functioning. Like if your site grows, you will need more people if you wanna manage everyone. So you can do this.
Okay, and for the WooCommerce integration, for
So
any
this so
for any
this only,
member,
yeah. So basically in WooCommerce only one user can create. Let me see. Okay, we have a shop manager.
like which we have, do we have multi-vendor setup on this system also?
No, no, we don't have that.
Then how come we show some of the product on the shop page
So
of
as an
the single
admin,
business?
yeah, yeah. So as an admin, we can create, no, we can create different products. WooCommerce allow.
As a member on the shop page, what they can display there?
They can display their pro. You need to configure that also.
Okay, right now as a admin we have created. That's why we
It is
showed at the
displaying
shop of
direct.
the community products only.
Yeah, yeah. Let me see. Okay. So I change the role. Mhm. Right. Okay. Just publish. Let's navigate to settings. It is here.
Like all the product assigned to the user who is creating the business page, they can show their own
No, yeah, I
created
can.
products here.
Yeah, yeah. So, as I told you that there is an option to select categories. So the category you select, it will display here.
Okay, so based on category, the community
Hmm.
shop product people can select and show here.
Yeah,
Okay. Just go to on business page once again.
yeah. Yes.
Yes, on a single page, which
Okay. Right. So yeah.
so previously all these options. Okay.
So as an admin, it will display all the tabs for you.
Mm. And also
If any-
follow feature. Just see the follow feature. Like
Yeah,
who can follow a page? Like everyone can follow a page.
yeah, yeah,
Every other member can follow the page.
yeah. This is not gonna impact in you any way. Like
Like this follow feature is inbuilt in the plugin, or it's coming from any
no, no,
third
it's
party plugin.
inbuilt. No, it's inbuilt.
Okay, and the follower count, how we can see that?
It will be displayed here.
How can we see like
Yeah.
number of follower a page have?
So I created a business. Here was following. So when you
Okay,
create a business, you automatically follow your business. Next, as Varun, I followed. Now we have 2 followers.
great. Okay, great. I think we have tried to cover most of the feature, and it was very lengthy plugin. Like all the features are
No,
there.
this is not even all the functionality. We can also extend them. Let's do it at a later time, and let's not make it more complex. Like you can use different plugins code to use them to add more categories or more functionalities.
Like all the inbuilt feature are there as
Yeah,
a
yeah, we
base
have covered
for.
them all. Yeah, we have covered
Yeah,
them all.
like for a professional community, we keep in mind. I think previously I was thinking about it more like a Facebook page feature, but later on I realized that It also cover as a LinkedIn or professional network, like
Yeah.
best for a professional community. It's more better for a professional community, running a professional community where you provide all the business details along with the job option, along with the event option. So for a professional community, this is a must-have feature. Like
Yeah.
a individual already have a business, so to showcase their business, they absolutely need a add-on, which this page feature, so that they can promote their. If they have multiple business, they can also promote on the same community platform for that.
Yeah.
And the most important discussion about is like if they already have a Facebook page, if someone have a Facebook page,
Yeah.
and whether they should move their Facebook page, or it's better to create a page on their own website, like on a private social network. It's better to have the page rather than having owning the page on the Facebook. So that's a very clear distinction someone can say, like on the Facebook all the data they own, all the features are controlled by Facebook, all the ads and spam and all the other things are included in that, and the reach and everything are limited by the Facebook. And you do never know, like you can't own the data, like how many people are following. You do not have the access of all the information of all the members there. So having a private social network where they can have their own page and promote their business is much more dedicated to the type of community you run there.
Yeah.
So on that note, I think we can end this webinar here, and we will come up next with our new add-on which we have created. Is basically for a SaaS or platform, or someone running creating the software or some brands, which we have created a new roadmap plugin. In the next webinar, we are going to discuss that, like how a business can use that plugin and get the feedback from their customer and plan the product roadmap. So our product roadmap plugin is there. That's already live on our website. And in the next week, which we are going to discuss about that plugin and showing all the features we created there, and to get more feedback from you guys. So on that note, have a great night, everyone. Bye. Bye, Astos.
Good night. Good. Yes.